Welcome. If you're looking to disable Experience Direct Chat on the Roblox app for PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Whether you want a quieter gaming environment or simply more privacy, this guide will walk you through every step to turn off direct chat and experiences. Let's get started. First, open up your Roblox app on your PC and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen for the menu. Click on the More icon. It usually looks like 3 dots or lines stacked together. This will open up a new menu with several options. From here, select Settings. This is where you can control all the important aspects of your Roblox experience. Inside the Settings menu, find and click on Privacy and Content Restrictions. This section lets you manage who can interact with you and how. Next, you'll want to head into the Communication section. Here, you'll see an option called Experience Chat. Click on it to open up the chat controls for experiences. Now, under the Direct Chat setting, you'll see a few choices for who can message you directly in experiences. To completely disable direct chat, choose No One. This means that no other players will be able to send you direct messages while you're in any Roblox experience, giving you a more private and controlled environment to play in. That's it. You've successfully disabled Experience Direct Chat on the Roblox app for PC. These changes take effect immediately, so you can enjoy your games without any unwanted direct messages popping up. If you ever want to adjust your chat settings again, just follow these steps to return to the same menu. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new distraction-free Roblox experience. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to share it with friends who might need a little extra privacy in their games.